Oh my god. Look at the little crown and little dresses.
Who is it? Let's see. Who is that? Turn it back around. Who's on it?
Sleeping Beauty Rora.
Yeah. Would that be cool?
Take a picture of me in it.
Well, I'm videoing, so.
Oh. Where should I put this? Oh.
I think videos would be a better thing with presents.
Oh, Mommy, this one's cute. What did you do this? Oh.
I used all of your new markers before you did.
Rip it! And trying my falling. Some clothes. My baby's, I think. Is it?
Find out.
Ooh, I know. Just rip that. Aww. This for my babies.
Let me see it. Ooh.
Okay, ready to open the next one? Oh, Mom, this one's gonna be cute. Just rip it open. I am. Rip it open. See a little hole in it. Oh my gosh. More baby clothes. Oh my. I know that one is gonna be baby clothes, but I don't know what his name is. Baby clothes.
It has a little hat.
Show Mommy's camera how Evan decorated your box.
Oh, yeah.
Here. This is gonna be a huge humongous one. I bet it will. It seems like it's hard. It's hard. Oh. I wanted this before. Thank you. Evan. I did not buy it. Ew.
He decorated it, but
Ooh, what is it?
Can you change box? Yes.
they're stamps.
There's stamps.
And so you've got all the letters and numbers,
And look, you get ink. Yeah, those are the stamp things.
and you can make
Ready? This
if
is.
you want.
You draw this one, right? Right. That's me, right? Right. That's you. Yep. That's Mom. That's it. Hello.
All sitting on the couch.
I couldn't make sitting, so I decided to do that. Standing. Yeah. Okay, this. Thank you. I am. Thank you. I can't wait to see what this one is. I wanted this.
So say thank you.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Should be pretty cool to play with.
Yeah, you see, you have to stick those cards into one, and then it opens. Think? I don't know.
Well, it's an art desk, so it has a roll of paper and you can color on it.
I know. I bet I could rip that open right away. So, you ready to eat some cake?
Should we eat some cake?